Welcome to Code Station.
Welcome back to our channel. In the last video, we have learned what cloud computing is and why it is so important. Today we are going to look at the main characteristics that make cloud computing unique and so widely adopted across the industry. Here are the key characteristics of cloud computing. On-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, major service, scalability, rapid elasticity, flexibility, security, resilience, automation, multi-tenancy, customization, and cost efficiency. Let's go through them one by one. The first characteristic is on-demand self-service. This means you can access computer resources like storage, networking, or application whenever you need them without human assistance from the service provider. Example, need extra storage. Just log into your cloud dashboard and increase it instantly. Next is broad network access. Cloud services are available anywhere, anytime, on any device. Laptop, smartphones, or tablets, as long as you have an internet connection. Think of how you can access Google Drive from your phone at home or your laptop at college. That's broad network access in action. Resource pooling means cloud providers use shared infrastructure to serve multiple customers. These resources like storage or processing power are dynamically assigned based on demand. It's like a water tank supplying different houses. Everyone gets what they need when they need it. Major service. Cloud computing uses a major service model. You pay only for what you use. It's similar to paying an electricity bill. If you use more resources, you pay more. If you use less, you pay less. Scalability or rapid elasticity. Scalability, also called as rapid elasticity, means cloud resources can be quickly scaled up or down depending on demand. For example, an e-commerce site can instantly add more server capacity during a festive sale and reduce it afterwards. Flexibility. Cloud offers flexibility. You can work from any device, anywhere, without being tied to a specific computer. Security. Security is a top priority in cloud computing. Cloud providers uses encryption, authentication, and physical safeguard to keep your data safe. Of course, user must also follow best practices to protect their account. Resilience. Resilience means the ability to recover quickly from disruption like outages or hardware failure. Cloud systems have a backups and disaster recovery plan built in. Automation. With automation, cloud services can be deployed, updated, and maintained automatically, reducing the need for manual work. Multi-tenancy. Multi-tenancy allows multiple customers to share the same physical resources while keeping their data separate and secure. Customization and cost efficiency. Cloud resources are often be customized to fit your exact needs. And because you avoid large upfront hardware costs, it's highly cost efficient. To recap, the main characteristics are on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, major service, scalability, flexibility, security, resilience, automation, multi-tenancy, and customization. These are the reasons cloud computing has become a core technology in our everyday lives. In next video, we will dive into cloud deployment models, public, private, hybrid, and community cloud. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.